Bow windows are a beautiful architectural feature that can dramatically enhance a home's appearance, natural light, and interior space. However, their performance depends on more than just the quality of the window itself. Proper installation plays a critical role in how well bow windows function over time. For homeowners across Rockford, professional installation is essential to ensure bow windows deliver lasting comfort, efficiency, and reliability. Why bow windows require specialized installation? Unlike standard flat windows, bow windows extend outward from the home and consist of multiple window panels joined together in a curved design. This unique structure adds visual appeal but also requires precise installation techniques. In Rockford homes, professional installers understand how to properly support the added weight of bow windows, ensuring the structure remains stable and secure. Without proper support, bow windows can sag, shift, or develop performance issues over time. Ensuring a tight, weather-resistant seal. One of the most important aspects of bow window performance is sealing. Because bow windows include multiple joints and angles, there are more areas where air or moisture could enter if installation is not done correctly. Professional installation ensures every seam and connection is properly sealed. For Rockford homeowners, this means better protection against drafts, moisture intrusion, and temperature fluctuations throughout the year. Improving energy efficiency and indoor comfort. Poor installation can undermine even the most energy-efficient windows. Gaps, misalignment, or improper insulation can allow heat loss in cooler months and heat gain during warmer periods. With professional installation, bow windows are aligned and insulated correctly. In Rockford homes, this helps maintain consistent indoor temperatures, reduces strain on heating and cooling systems, and improves overall comfort in living spaces. Preventing long-term structural issues. Bow windows place additional stress on walls and framing due to their outward projection. If this stress isn't managed properly during installation, it can lead to long-term structural concerns. Professional installers evaluate the existing structure and reinforce it as needed. For Rockford homeowners, this proactive approach helps prevent shifting, cracking, or performance problems years down the line. Supporting smooth operation and longevity. Many bow windows include operable panels for ventilation. Improper installation can affect how these windows open and close, leading to stiffness or alignment issues. Professional installation ensures each panel operates smoothly and seals properly when closed. In Rockford homes, this contributes to long-lasting performance and everyday usability. Enhancing noise reduction benefits. Bow windows with modern glass options can help reduce outdoor noise, but only if they are installed correctly. Even small gaps can allow sound to travel inside. For Rockford residents, professional installation helps maximize noise-reducing benefits, creating quieter and more comfortable interiors, especially in busy neighborhoods. Protecting interior finishes and appearance. Improper installation can lead to water leaks that damage walls, flooring, or trim around the window area. Over time, this can affect both appearance and home value. Professional installers take care to protect interior finishes and ensure proper drainage. For Rockford homeowners, this attention to detail preserves the beauty of both the window and the surrounding space. Maximizing the full value of your investment. Bow windows are a significant home upgrade, both visually and financially. Professional installation ensures homeowners receive the full benefit of their investment. In Rockford, properly installed bow windows deliver better comfort, efficiency, and durability, making them a worthwhile addition to the home. Confidence and peace of mind. Perhaps one of the most valuable benefits of professional installation is peace of mind. Knowing that bow windows are installed correctly allows homeowners to enjoy them without worry. For Rockford homeowners, professional installation ensures bow windows perform as intended and continue enhancing the home for years to come. Why installation matters across Rockford. Bow windows offer beauty, light, and space, but only when installed properly. From structural support and energy efficiency to comfort and long-term performance, professional installation plays a vital role in their success. For homeowners across Rockford, choosing expert installation ensures bow windows remain a lasting and valuable feature of the home.